Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I'm so excited about today's video. This is the first video that I have filmed since I did my humongous declutter and beauty video, just like completely taking everything out of my beauty room and rearranging it. And I have to say, like, I have not been this excited about makeup in a long time. I just feel like whenever you're overwhelmed, like you have too much going on, it's hard to think. I know I've talked about this many times on my channel, but I also have really bad ADD, and so, you know, a lot of times having a lot of things can really like clutter my mind, and it makes me not productive. So I'm so excited to be in my new beauty space. I cannot wait to do an updated makeup tour. I have lots of declutter videos for you guys to watch coming up. Like, I decluttered a lot. I want to say, I don't know, like 70% of my makeup, I feel like. Maybe that's a little bit too much. Maybe like 60%. It felt like a whole lot. So I'm excited. I also have a new background. I'm kind of like seeing how you guys like it. So let me know in the comments below. I kind of want just a little bit something different, and it's in a corner, and yeah. All right, I'm going to stop rambling. I love you guys. Let's dive in.
Let's go.
Okay, so like I said, the Natasha Denona Foundation X is the very first package that we're going to be looking at. And I cannot wait to open it. I haven't saw any of the shades yet. Actually, let me put this to the side so you can see my beautiful, like, Christmassy pajamas. And we'll open it together, okay? She always comes through with the beautiful packaging. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. This package is insane. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Natasha Denona. Let's open it up and see what all it says it does. Like, the camera's not even focusing on me anymore. It's like, look at this beautiful package. Okay, just give me a second. I have to Instagram this. If I can get the camera to focus back on me. Okay, so here's what the little card looks like right here. Oh my gosh, they look so beautiful. So it says Foundation X Plus is an anti-aging powerhouse packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, collagen, and elastin boosting ingredients to protect and perfect the look and feel of your skin. Available in 20 neutral shades, designed by world-renowned makeup artist Natasha Denona. I actually tried the Foundation X, not the X Plus, and I actually really like that. So let's see. Normally I am a medium with a yellow undertone. So it's saying that I would be 60 YW. So let's try it out. And it's $45, 1 ounce, cruelty-free, fragrance-free. It also says it's a luminous second skin finish that is lightweight and buildable for custom coverage, long-wearing, water-resistant, and creamy soft texture that soothes and moisturizes skin for optimal comfort. Okay, so based on what it says on this paper, which I'm not the best at matching myself, honestly, I think that I would be the 60 WY, which is a medium with yellow undertone. So I want to try this on the skin, not like my face or anything, but honestly, the packaging A+, because it's like a glass packaging, so super nice. And I like how big the pump size is. Like, it's not like super duper small. Okay. Oh, I think I need to shake it up because it's been sitting. There we go. Okay, so here it is. It is definitely not watery, but you know what I mean. It's not like a super thick foundation. Like, it definitely feels like it's going to go on nice to the skin. Ooh, it feels really nice. It definitely looks like it has a luminous finish. So I can tell that like right off the bat. I feel like this would be a really good match for me, honestly. So there that is. I mean, to me, I feel like it's definitely full coverage. I think that was that only a pump? Maybe it was 2 pumps. But it looks really nice. Give you guys kind of a close-up right there. But yeah, I mean, it looks really nice. I'm definitely excited to try it out. A big thank you to Natasha Denona and the Natasha Denona team for sending this over, especially in a lot of shades, because as you guys know, like when I find a foundation, I like to have it in a couple different shades, because normally I'm like super tan in the summer, and then I self tan sometimes in the winter, and then sometimes it fades and I'm super pale, and then in the spring I'm like a medium. So I like to kind of mix and match. I have the NARS Radiant long wear foundation, something like that. I think I have it in like 4 or 5 shades. My Estee Lauder double wears, I normally keep those in a couple shades. So I always like keeping different shades. And then of course the ones I can't use, probably starting maybe like next week, I'm going to start the mystery box giveaways. I haven't figured out exactly how I'm going to do those, so stay tuned. But a big thank you again to Natasha Denona for that package. Okay, very next package came from Huda Beauty. And I always love her little packages when she puts them in like a Huda Beauty Ziploc with padding. Okay, so let's see. Ooh la la. Oh my gosh, now that I think about this, I have another one of these and I cannot think where it is. It was on top of all my makeup. Okay, here's what this looks like. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be a pair of eyelashes. And you guys tell me, I don't know, I feel like this setup, like it's brighter, I feel like, and I also feel like it's a little bit clearer, which I don't know how. So this is Huda Beauty X the Lottie. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at these. Right there is Lottie. As you guys know, I do get lash extensions now. These are like 3.5 weeks. My lash artist is like thebomb.com. But I love Huda Beauty lashes. When I was doing false lashes, they were like the only ones I love to use. I have so many pairs, but I do love to keep them just because, like, for me, even with my lash extensions, if I really, really, really wanted to, I could do lashes on top. But if not, there might be a day where I don't have lash extensions. So I definitely love Huda Beauty lashes. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot to tell you. Did y'all know that Sephora is doing some kind of sale like coming up in like 2 weeks? I'm going to be doing a recommendations list, but since I've decluttered all this makeup, I mean, it really has me excited to try out some new makeup too. Next, we have a package from Dr. Brandt, and I actually really do love the Dr. Brandt skincare line. I think a couple months ago, I had tried out the neck cream, I think it is, and it's nice. So here's what the packaging looks like, and it says Dr. Brandt at the top. And let's see what we have in here. It says Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. A hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. Super awesome. So let's see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It has like little roses in it. And I think I've had this package maybe for like a week or so. I did not realize that this was in it, but how cute is that? Super duper cute. Okay, so let's see what they sent over. Here is what the packaging looks like. It is a recovering sleeping mask. It says it deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and irritation. So it says a hydrating recovery sleeping mask powered by the biotic balancing complex to balance skin's naturally occurring flora. So here's what the packaging looks like. And it says it deeply hydrates, it moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. It also locks in moisture to prevent water loss. They recommend to apply the mask on clean, dry skin before bedtime and do not rinse. I love masks like this. I love a mask that you do not have to take off. So I'm so excited to try that out. And thank you so much, Dr. Brandt, for sending this over. Next package we have, I believe this said it came from Loreal. And honestly, this is kind of heavy. It says Summer Belle Beach Bay Face and Body Liquid Luminizer, Bronzer Please, Glowing Lip Gloss, and Blush Please. So here is that. Also, I feel like with this new setup, I'm not as far away from the camera because I have like a little teeny desk in front of me, and I like that. Okay, let's take all this out and then we will play. I also, you guys, made these. Like, y'all, I'm excited about these. I also made like an entire top drawer of my IKEA pack system that I'm now storing my makeup in, solely just to put the new stuff that I get just in the top. That way, oh my gosh, I'm like so obsessed already. That way, like, basically none of this stuff is going up until I use it in videos. Y'all, oh my gosh, there's more bronzers. Yes, please. Bronze, please. Yes, please. Oh, and these, like, this is a pretty dark shade. L'Oreal. Yes. Okay. All right. So first thing we have is this. Okay. I cannot get it together today. Okay. First thing we have are these two right here. I like that I don't have to like, oh, like this. This is how it was on my old videos. Okay. This is the Beach Bay Face and Body Illuminator right here. I feel like a lot of brands are coming out with things like this. It says apply this hydrating, lightweight, and ultra blendable luminizer all over for a dewy bronze look. Actually, I'm going to grab something to put this in. Got these cool little containers. And that's what new products are going to go in. That way, I make sure not to forget about any products. Okay, next we have these glowing lip glosses, which honestly, these look really nice. They actually sent 2 shades, so one of these will go into a giveaway. This is like a really pretty just, oh my gosh. It smells, bra strap's hanging out, sorry. It literally smells so good. It feels like a lip oil. Like honestly, I mean, it's not like real sticky, but it's just so comfortable. Oh, I like that. Here are the 2 shades they sent over. The lightest is O2, See You Soon, and then the dark one is Tropic Like It's Hot. They also sent over some like beautiful blushes. I definitely want to try them, so let's do it. This one actually looks like NARS Orgasm. Let's see if we found a dupe, you guys. That would be freaking awesome. Like, look at this. Does that not look gorgeous? Oh, please let it swatch good and do good. Honestly, I think it looks a tad bit darker than Orgasm. Or what do you think? Oh, this is so beautiful. Yes. Okay, so that is 11 Blushin' in Riviera. I gotta try the other one, you guys. The other one is number 12 Blushin' in Saint Tropez. It's just like a tad bit darker, but they have like a really pretty shimmer in them. My only thing, it's hard to tell. I'm trying to see like, does the shimmer come off the top? So this one's more of like a nude shade. Oh, again, look how beautiful. I mean, those look real nice. Lastly, they sent over these big old bronzers, which say bronze please. I'm gonna swatch the middle one. This one is 03 and see how it looks. And these, like, the colors almost remind me of like the colors in the size, maybe like Marc Jacobs, the big old bronzer. I can't remember what it's called. I don't think it's called the big old bronzer. I need to get some kind of something to cut things. I need to get a box cutter and like a little itty teeny something. Okay, so this one is Latera in Bronze Please. Or Bronze Please in Latera. Oh, please let this be good, because I need a good drugstore bronzer. I probably could have swatched the darkest one, and I think it would have worked for me. There's that one. It honestly looks really nice. Like, it looks really smooth on the skin. So I'll have to be giving these a try, you guys. Like I said, I just feel so much better. Like, since I got a lot of, like, you know, just older stuff out of my collection. Okay, so check those out. This collection looks really pretty. I'm really impressed. Okay, next package came from It Cosmetics. I hope this is what I think it is. Y'all, I think it is what I think it is. Yay! Okay, so they literally just came out with a new mascara, and it's a collaboration, I guess, with Dry Bar. It literally looks just like a hairbrush. Okay, so here's the little thing it came in. And how do I open this up? Ooh, look how cute. It says a Lash Blowout. Look how precious. Okay, so this is obviously super cute. So it says it's $25, available in store and online at Ulta Beauty. It says it is your ultimate lash blowout, 19 times the volume. 93% said the product keeps lashes looking voluminous all day. And then 93% says the product does not flake. I want to open this up. Like, I was hoping that this was the side the wand was going to be on. I mean, it does look like a really nice wand. Thank you so much to It Cosmetics for that package. Did I say thank you to L'Oreal? Thank you, L'Oreal. If I did not, haven't filmed in just a little bit, so I'm a little rusty. Okay, next package came from Allure. Ooh la la. I honestly love the Allure boxes. They're so freaking cute. They come in these like a bright neon little envelopes. And let's see what we have. Ooh, this looks like some good stuff. Okay, so the first thing we have is a little mini size of They're Real by Benefit, which is a Holy Grail mascara. I love this. Then we have, I do not know how to pronounce this brand. I'm not going to butcher the name of this brand, but this is a multitask eye serum mask. Then we have, ooh, the makeup eraser. This is a little mini makeup eraser. We have the Primera Alpine Water Cream. We have the Cargo Cosmetics Essential Lip Color. And this is in Kyoto. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, it's like a really pretty like pinky shade. Kyoto. Then we have a Laritzi Cosmetics Liquid Beam, which you guys know I love. This is in Topaz, so it's just like a liquid illuminator. Ooh, super duper pretty. So there is that right there. And then lastly, we have the Naraya Triple Action Eye Cream. So here's that. You know, so I pulled all of my skincare out, and I finally I'm like looking at it right now. I'm so excited about it. I have everything where I can see it, like out of boxes. It's so refreshing. Thank you so much to Allure for that package. Okay, next thing we have is from Alter Ego Beauty. I don't think I've ever tried any of their stuff before. This actually showed up at my P.O. box. It says, "Hi Danielle, surprise. We really love your videos and would love to hear your thoughts on the Goddess and Daydream palettes. If you like it, please let us know." Okay, I will let you know. Let's see. They wrap them really well, which is always a plus. Oh my gosh, how cute. They gave me like these little stickers. Okay, let's see what these palettes look like from Alter Ego. Have you guys ever tried anything from them? Let me know down below. I won't be trying anything if I can't get it open. Okay, well the packaging first off is super nice, but okay, there we go. I was about to say I cannot get them open. Okay, so here is the Goddess palette. Ooh, you know what? I think I have heard of this brand. Okay, so you guys know that I think Bad Habit was the one that used to do palettes that were like, you know, dupable palettes. I'm pretty sure that this brand makes dupe palettes for a really, really affordable price. What palette does this look like? The Natasha Denona, the gold palette. Is that what it looks like to y'all? That's what it looks like to me. I mean, it looks really pretty. So I will have to maybe do like a dupe video or something on this. Okay, so there's that. I don't know where it cut me off, but the camera cut me off at some point. So the first palette was really nice, in case you guys didn't see it. This is called the Daydream palette by Alter Ego. Ooh, and this is a like, this actually looks like it's a nice dupe for the Nude palette by Natasha Denona. Wow. Like even the little specks like she has on those shades are on this. I mean, this looks pretty legit. And they even have a concealer color. Wow. You guys know that's like one of my favorite palettes. I'm really excited to try this out. So thank y'all so much for that package. What a nice surprise. These look so good. I literally cannot wait to get my nails done this week because normally I don't keep them this long, but I like went longer than normal. They're actually my real nails. I mean, they have like gel on top or whatever, but now it's been a while since I've gotten them done, so they're pretty grown out. Okay, very last package came from Covergirl. It says, "Unlock your new True Blend Undercover Combination." Okay, so here's the package that it came in. This is so cool. So it like, you rotate it based on which color you are, and then it tells you all the colors for everything else. Oh, look how cool, you guys. Okay, they literally sent over, oh, I actually am excited to try this. The banana powders. They sent over some, ooh, highlighters. We have some concealers, some primers, and even some brow products. So thank you so much, CoverGirl, for that package. And you guys, that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again to each and every brand that sent me products. And I hope you guys like my new setup. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.